I've got my exclusive beauty bag. So if you want to see what's inside, I know I'm excited, then stay tuned. Hi, and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. Vanna's hanging out next to me. Chloe's off doing, I don't know, I think she's watching TV now. She's finished her jobs. But if you're new, welcome. Thanks so much for checking us out. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. So this is the exclusive beauty bag. And I started getting this back in around February or March. And I've been pretty impressed with it. And this is a skincare bag, and it is products recommended by a dermatologist. There's no flyer, there's no nothing. So I'm going to have to look up each product, let you know if it's a full size, if it's a deluxe sample, and let you know a little bit about each product. So I'm going to reach right in and pull out Dermalieve Advanced Formula. It relieves dry, itchy, and irritated skin, helps retain moisture in the skin, aids skin barrier function, is steroid free with SRX 38. It's an anti-itch cream. Okay. Like, what is this? All right, so this is 30 grams. The full size is 60 grams at $24.99. So this is a deluxe sample. It does say it immediately stops the itch, depending upon, I guess, what the itch is from. I don't know, maybe poison ivy, maybe, I don't know. But it does say immediately stops the itch. So that's nice. It's a nice size. It's about a $12 value, $12.50 value. Next, we have Elta MD. We get a lot of Elta MD in this box. If you're an Elta MD fan, this is definitely bag for you. This is 5 ounces, so it's definitely a full size. And it's got a retail value of $46. This is an SPF of 40. It's got an all zinc formula to help protect your skin from UVA and UVB rays and helps reduce premature photo aging, provides easy protection for hard to reach places and effortless application. So this is for face and body, and it's this kind of spray. So it's not like the kind of mist you're thinking about. It's more of a sprayed around mist. All right, next we have Replenix. This is the anti-aging age restore brightening moisturizer. This carries a price tag of $98. This is 1.7 ounces. It says instead of working to find the perfect anti-aging treatment, use a cream that works for you and doing its age-defying magic while you're slumbering. Replenix enriched nighttime biotherapy. Wait, that's not what this is. I guess that's what this is. Is chock full of all the time-reversing ingredients you seek in one neat package. Target problem areas while replenishing necessary nutrients and hydrating your complexion. This night cream penetrates the surface of your skin without leaving your face feeling irritated or dry. It has a biometric ceramide complex to keep skin nourished and supple while improving elasticity and texture. Peptides, which are going to target your wrinkles and improve the overall appearance and tone of your skin. Hyaluronic acid, we know that's going to deeply hydrate and plump your skin, which is going to then get rid of those fine lines and wrinkles. Stem cells to deliver essential nutrients to improve skin firmness and elasticity with cell duplicating properties. And green tea, caffeine, and vitamin E. Now, we know caffeine is really good at reducing inflammation. These are antioxidants that can brighten, calm, and soothe skin while protecting it from free radical damage. This is recommended for fine lines, wrinkles, loss of firmness. It says it is a night cream. It has medical grade ingredients of hyaluronic acid, niacinamide, and ceramides. All right, so always love Replenix. Next we have, this is new. I haven't seen this brand before. Isdin Sutix Rejuvenate Melatox 2-in-1 Serum. Melatonin. All right, the full size of 30 milliliters is going to cost $175. This is 10 milliliters, and that's really a good amount, I think. I mean, that's not a bad size for a serum. So I'm not mad about that. Overnight recovery serum with melatonin. It says your beauty sleep redefined. Melatonin is a restorative nighttime serum in oil which works while you sleep to help your skin recover from daily stress. The 3-in-1 formula contains melatonin, bacutrol, and vitamin C to stimulate natural antioxidant defenses and help skin restore vitality and elasticity for a radiant, healthy skin. It is paraben-free, sulfate-free, mineral oil-free. It's good for fine lines and wrinkles, loss of firmness, elasticity, dehydrated skin, and skin damage. So tell me down below if you guys ever heard of this brand. I've never seen this brand before. All right, it is clear. There might be a very light scent, but it definitely doesn't smell like a perfume, more like just from maybe a botanical in there. It does have squalane. Oh, it does have fragrance. Okay, I wouldn't have said that's a fragrance. It's very, very light. So this little guy right here is a $58 value. Next, we have a couple of more small samples. This is PCE Skin. It's the Daily Exfoliant to Cleanse. And this little guy is 1 fluid ounce. Now, PCA Skin is a very pricey brand. So even the soap is going to be pricey. Yeah, so for 7 ounces, it's $48. And this is 1 ounce. So this little tiny guy, $6.85. And you know, you go to the store and get like a big thing for $6.85 or 1 ounce. And then last, another really pricey brand is the Skin Medica Instant Bright Eye Cream. And this is 2 grams or 0.07 ounces. The full size of this at a half of a fluid ounce is $92. And this is 0.07 fluid ounces. It says it's a luxurious under eye treatment to hydrate, brighten, and improve firmness. It's going to brighten dark circles under eyes, calm under eye puffiness, and firm the eye area. It has phenylethyl resveratrol, which is supposed to support the melanin balance to correct hyperpigmentation. A hyaluronic acid blend to moisturize and smooth the eye area. Marine extracts to correct and prevent hyperpigmentation while supporting a healthy skin barrier. Caffeine, Persian silk tree extract, and St. Paul's worts to enhance firmness and radiance by supporting vascular and lymphatic function. And Venus flower stem cell extract to protect against free radical damage. All right, so that's my exclusive beauty brand. Guys, if you like skincare, should be on your radar. Let me look and see. All right, so currently on their website for just a 1 month, it's going to be $59. However, if you hit the subscribe and save, it's going to be $38.35 every month. So for $38.35, I mean, we certainly got our money back. So they do have a great bunch of products. It does not look like this is available in there. Instead, by Replenish, you're going to get the glycolic acid 10% restructuring cream, which is also probably a great product. But I mean, this alone more than pays for the box. And when you hit subscribe and save, you can get it for 2 months and cancel it. You don't have to commit to a year or 3 months or 6 months. You can cancel it anytime. So What are your thoughts? What is your favorite product? Um, I'm super psyched to try this brand new brand that I've never tried personally. That is going to be next. I am currently using my Clarins double serum in the morning and my Dr. Laura Devgan, Devgan serum at night. And I'm really liking those, but I'm super excited to try something brand new. Like I've never even heard of this brand. All right. Well, thank you so much for spending a little time with me. Please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell, and hopefully I'll see you soon.